Hello everyone. Welcome back into this tutorial and welcome back into No Max TV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create GIF also using image in your computer. You can use Canva and create also GIF, also image by using also this Canva. So now, if you don't subscribe to the channel No Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Nomax TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to come here to my search bar. I can also search GIF for maker. So if I click GIF maker now, you can see I'm going to be getting various results which are going to be helping me to create this image. And as you can see, I have this one, and you can see I have this first one which is also EZGIF, and you can see I have a GIF maker. Now I can also have uh, free GIF maker, create GIFs from images and videos. You can see I have this file from Canva, and this is the one we're going to be using here to create it from Canva. Now, as you see, I have the link here, which is also a free GIF maker. Now, what I do, I need to click here on this. I can click here on make free GIF. So after clicking here, now what I'm going to do is to continue with the next step, GIF. Now you can see also I have also accessed my also page that I'm going to be using to create this GIF. And as you can see, I have these templates. If I go to design, you can see I have various design which I designed there, and I can be using all designs which are here to transform them into my GIF. Also, let me now, for example, choose this one. As I choose this one, you can see if I choose this one and click on it, it is going to be like, for example, let me play it. As you can see, every words here is playing or also is animating in its own way. And as you can see also, I can come here and uh, I choose, for example, this for texture. Then if I go and do this, I click here, and as you can see, because the text here are animated in the given way, it's going to be animating itself in the given way. And as you can see, this text here is not animated, and if I want to animate this, I can be clicking this animation, and also I animate the text itself. As you can see, it is now animating, and I can edit this if I want to be editing this. So you see now they're saying that anything that now I can see something I want. So after this, I can be even changing even the colors for this. You can see I have this, and I can be changing the colors. Even I can change the animation strategies. You can see now the directions is already changed. Now I have this animating, and I can come back here to positions if I want to be positioning it here to top front. Now to back, you can see now if I put it front, you can see it is coming in front of this text, and I can go back also position. I put it to the top. Even I can put also to back. If I want to put it back also beside the text there, now what is gonna do? As I come here, you can see animate both. You can see if I animate both, you see or everything is gonna be animated on this image, and I can also be reducing the speed. As you see the speed now, if I increase the speed, you see now the speed also is increasing. So let me try adding new image now. Try to animate it and see how it is going to be working. So I'm going to come here to upload. Now I upload also as usual. I come to my computer, then upload one picture. So after uploading one picture, now, so I want to search one picture from my downloads options. Now I upload like this. For example, let me upload this image. I can see this shows. Now I want to be adding it here. Then I try to animate this image from anywhere. So let me, for example, put it here and animate it. Let me, I will this text upwards. Yes, Now let me also extend this image to anywhere I want. After this, now let me go. Yes, so now we can see this image is not now animated, because if I click here, so it's going to be playing, but the image is not going to be animating. What I need to do, I need to animate this, and I click on it. If I click on this, come here to animate. Now I come here to pan. I choose which kind of directions, or which kind of animation I want to be using this image. For example, if I click on this, you can see it's going to be coming from this direction to this. If I choose this one also, it's going to be coming like this. Now I can choose this one where it is going to be coming like in the directions, and it's all depends on which where you prefer to be using. So for example, let me choose this one and show you how to be animating. If I click here, you can see also how it is going to be coming. Now let me use this one, and also we can also come here. Now we can see you have various options. Now after this, what you have to do is to play this. Try playing this. As I play this video, you can see it is also animating itself. As a text animates, also see animate. You see, and even everything is going to be animating. Now let me try also change the color even here. I can be changing the color also. Now after changing the color, I can be also now change the weather I want. I can change this one, and I can be changing to also this. I can even be changing the font style or even font size. You see it's a triple black. Now I can be changing this triple black. Now I can change it to medium. I can be changing even to never regret. Now I can be this never regret. I can be changing to two. Any other options here? So now after this, you can be see now it is changing, and I can be even changing the background of this. You see now I have this background. You see, as you see, we have this background which is like this. You can change it to yellow, for example, if you want it to be yellow, or even white. So as like this, or even this one. It all depends on what one want. And let me try to play this, and you see, as you see, all the features also are working, and as you see, everything is animating as we have set it out. So now let's go to download this GIF, and so that we can be having GIF element to our computer. What we do is to come here to share. As you can see, share button here, and I come here to download. I just also have not to choose MP4 video, but I have also to scroll down and choose also other information below. What I need to do, I need to come here to GIF, short clip, no sound. So I choose the GIF short clip, no sound. After this, also I have to choose now select download. So I have to download this, and after hitting download button, you can see the GIF is now downloading. So I have to wait it until it gets downloaded, and once it is downloaded, also I can be now accessing my GIF element. So let's wait this now 3 seconds to be downloaded already. As you see now, also it is now also ending download, and they are recommending you to use this GIF while creating some more image, Instagram or GIF and other elements. And after this now is downloaded, you have to go to our computer and or try to open it and see how it is looking like. Let's try to go to downloads. So let me click here now because it is downloading. Then it's open after now downloading. Then we see if it is also animating as you have waited. As you can see, this is also GIF, and it is in the form of image here. As you can see, it is in the form of image, but is animating as usual. And right here, for example, I can be also, you see now I play it and also it animates. So thank you very much for watching this video. This is how you can be creating also GIF by using image. You can be creating any how you want. You can be inserting any custom image also in Canva, and also create GIF or image by using also any picture, any photo you want. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel Max TV, and then question button so as you always get notified when I upload the video here at Max TV.